The more gadgets and items we juggle around these days, the likelier it becomes for us to misplace something. Thankfully, technology has found a very simple solution to this problem in the form of smartphone trackers. Most trackers that we come across, though, tend to be quite clunky in design and very basic in their functionality, which is the reason we are quite enthused by the product we are covering for you today. This is supposed to be the only Bluetooth tracker to win both Red Dot and International Forum Design Awards, and combines absolutely great looks with a number of useful features. This is the MYNT Smart Item Tracker.
Here we go!
The MYNT Tracker is an elegantly designed device that doesn't look odd even attached to your designer bags and accessories, and uses cutting-edge technology to work as a multifunctional smart tracker. It measures just 2 by 0.1 by 1 inches in its dimensions and weighs just 0.5 ounces, and is designed in a range of understated stylish colors. You just need to attach it to your valuable item and can easily locate the item in seconds when needed. It does this by working in sync with your smartphone and is compatible with most recent iOS, Android and Windows devices. The MYNT Tracker uses a smart antenna technology to provide an effective range in an open area of over 150 feet. With just a simple press of the MYNT app, you are notified of the location of the tracker. The app also lets you report an item lost if you are unable to locate it yourself, in which case you can receive help from the MYNT community. Another innovation incorporated into the tracker is its long battery life. With the CR2020 battery, the MYNT Tracker can stay powerful for up to 6 months. Battery replacement takes seconds, and the device even has space for an extra battery, so you never need to worry about charging it. To add to this, the MYNT Tracker can be used for a number of other functions too. You can use it as a remote control for mobile phone music, or to operate the camera to make taking selfies easier. It even allows you to switch slides on a PC. With Open SDK, there are more plays possible with MYNT now. This smart capsule-shaped device is really quite useful to bring you peace of mind through your busy day. Let's see how it fares in the user reviews. It has earned an average of 3.8 on 5 stars from close to 300 customers, which is quite impressive for this product category. The one issue some users seem to have with it is its relatively low sound, but the overall looks and efficiency seem to work for most people. That's all we have on the MYNT Smart Item Tracker for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other smartphone trackers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.